In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate alerts and reminders in Smartsheet. If you're juggling tasks, approvals, or deadlines, automated notifications keep everyone informed without manual follow-ups. We'll build a simple alert workflow, fine-tune when it runs, choose who gets notified, and customize what the message says so it's clear and actionable. Start by opening the Workflow Builder. At the top of your sheet, select Automation, then create workflow from scratch. If you prefer a quick start, you can pick a template like Alert Someone when specified criteria are met, and then adjust it to fit your needs. Either approach lands you in the same place with a clean layout of trigger, optional conditions, and actions. Now define what should kick off the workflow. In the When block, select when rows are added or changed. This tells Smartsheet to watch for new entries and edits. To avoid unnecessary noise, narrow it to specific columns. For example, set it to run only when the status column changes to complete. Targeted triggers keep alerts meaningful and reduce the chance of people tuning out. If you only want alerts for certain rows, add a condition. Click the plus icon to insert a condition block, then specify your rule. A common setup is priority equals high, so only the most critical items generate an alert. You can stack conditions to focus on the exact scenario you care about, such as a specific project, owner, or date range. This is the key to preventing alert fatigue while still keeping stakeholders in the loop. Next, choose the action. Select Alert Someone. Decide who should be notified by entering specific email addresses, or better yet, by choosing a contact column like Assigned To. Using a contact column means the workflow automatically sends alerts to the current owner of the row, so you don't have to revisit the workflow every time responsibilities change. Be selective with recipients so messages reach the people who can act. Finally, customize the message. Click Customize Message to adjust the email subject and body, and to choose which sheet fields appear in the notification. Use a clear, concise subject, something like task marked complete works well. In the body, include the fields people need to respond quickly, such as task name, due date, status, and priority. A brief line explaining why the alert is arriving and what action you expect can make the notification instantly useful. That's it. With these settings, your workflow will send timely, relevant alerts whenever your criteria are met, keeping work moving and your team aligned.